guys, I was gonna make a part 2 of this. See what happened in the part 2. So I finally get the OEM, or the so-called OEM mount. Coming out OEM box, so I'm hoping that it's OEM. This is the OEM, and this is the one that I take out. Where's the box? Pick up the box. This is the box. So there's a Ford sticker. Yeah, this is right there, right? Part number is AV6C6068H. Alright, I'm gonna install this one and start the picking and see what happens. If I change out the other 2 engine mount, put OEM mount, but the car still vibrate. Not as bad as it was before, but it's still vibrating too much. And I know it's not the engine mount because now I have 3 OEM engine mount on the car. So the only thing I can think of right now that would cause this vibrating this aggressive when it's in drive and you're, say if it's in drive or reverse and you stop with your foot on the brake, I can feel it vibrate. If I have a glass of water, I could show it to you, but I don't. Probably just do that when I get back to the shop. But it vibrates. So the only thing I can think of would cause that now would be the torque converter. Something's going on inside of the transmission with the torque converter, and it's just like spinning whatever it's doing. But that's the only thing. I went back to the shop to get my scan tool to, you know, monitor the torque converter, if it's slipping, the control requests. The slip desired, clutch solenoid, and clutch at time of misfire. Well, I'm not sure what the misfire is gonna be doing, but I'm gonna test drive this bad boy real quick. Alright, so let me go push this down, give it some test drive. Like I said, when the car is driving normal, it's not doing anything. So I just want to see if it's shifting correct, or shifting rough than normal, or longer to shift. Just see if I can find anything else, because like I said, engine mount is replaced, but car still vibrates. So just let's see what happens. I'm just gonna drive it. And as you can see, the engine, what it almost seems like to me is that whatever else is going on with it, like I said, I highly believe that it's the torque converter. Whatever is going on with it, that's what caused it to actually damage the mount. That's what caused it to damage the engine mount and rip the engine mount, the transmission mount, so apart so bad. But seem to be driving okay, shifting okay. No, I have a steady rev on the RPM. The RPM is jumping on a steady. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you see the RPM, I have it at a steady rev. The RPM is dancing. So something is going on the line right here are not straight, they're dipping. So something is going on with the inside of the transmission, but there's no code. I didn't find no code inside of it. So I think that's gonna be it for this. They're gonna need to take it to a driveline shop or take it to the dealer, because I'm not gonna get involved into the transmission side of this, because I am not a transmission person. If I have to do it, I'll do it, but I try not to do these things because it's just too complicated. Mainly because I'm not really big into it. So I'm not gonna say that, you know, like it's hard. It's just I'm not big into transmission. But yeah, whenever I stop, the car is shaking real bad. It's terrible.